Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S23, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. Now, to get started, you'll want to open up your settings. From here, scroll all the way down to General Management and scroll down again, and you'll find a Reset option. Select that, and in here you're going to tap on the Factory Data Reset. This will bring up a quick message giving you a list of things that this process removes. Now, things to keep in mind that it removes, the more important things will be things like music, photos, and all user data. So if you have anything like that on the device that you would just like to keep, make a backup copy of it before you begin. Otherwise, this will be completely removed and just no way of getting it back. So yeah, now once you create a backup somewhere to your computer maybe or whatever, you can progress further by selecting Reset, delete all, and this will now begin the process, which will only take about a minute to finish up. It's really quick, so it should be done very shortly. And I'll be back once I can see my setup screen. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.